Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I have a new box for myself. And I will say I've never seen this box unboxed before. Does not mean it hasn't been. I've just not ran across it yet. So this is from Skylar Clean Beauty. It is a monthly subscription for or to a scent club. So I'm going to read it off the box here because I have a lot of information and I just want to make sure I state it correctly. So it is a scent club subscription. It ships monthly. You're able to swap, add, or remove. You can skip or delay, or you can switch to a different schedule. It's $20 a month. Then you do pay sales tax, and shipping is discounted at $4.95. If you join the scent club, then you will get a monthly rollerball perfume. You also qualify to get 20% off your additional orders. And there's bonus discounts. And if you do spend $50 or more, you would get free shipping. And if you want to add additional rollerballs, and these rollerball perfumes are valued at $30. If you want to order additional, it's $20. So the deal I got here when I was contacted, I got an email, and the offer was I joined the club and then I got a free rollerball. So I should have 2 rollerball perfumes in here. So let's go. Okay, it's the inside. So dream in clean, and hashtag Skylar dream. I'm like, Terry, if you can't pronounce that right. So here's the items. I'll take them out. Make it a little noise here. Okay. So I believe, if I am correct, this first one I'm going to show you was the monthly subscription. It is Sun-Kissed Dahlia. It has Dahlia, Apple, and Amber. And if I am remembering correctly, I think I might have even got to pick which one I wanted. I'm going to have to check that out. So it is a warm, floral, romantic scent. It's hypoallergenic and it's eco-friendly and animal test free and vegan. Let's see what else here. Let me show it. So here we go. It is a pretty box, isn't it? And I like the flower on the end. And it says, kissed by the sun. Like that. And a very pretty label. And on the other side, you can see on the back of the label, the flower. I'm assuming that's a dahlia. Here we go. Let's test it. Okay. It smells more on the strong side. Put some on my wrist here. Probably put more than I probably should have. So I'm going to leave it settle for a second. If there is any alcohol scent, maybe it could dry off. I like it, you guys. It's got some sweetness. Did it say that there was sweetness? It definitely has some sweetness. There is floral. Gosh, you guys, I'm having a hard time really describing it. What I can say is it smells really good. This is a good one, you guys. Yeah, this is a good one. Okay, very happy with this. All right, now let's see the other one. So this one is Green Awakening, Lush Greens, Hemp and Patchouli. Hypoallergenic, safe for sensitive skin, eco-friendly. And This one is mysterious, earthy, calming. It's animal test free and also vegan. And what's interesting is it said on that box, and it says here too, it gives you suggestions for what it layers well with. So see on the back there, like right here, I'm assuming those are scents, but here's the front of the box. Again, very pretty. Let's dive in. Okay. Also a very pretty label. I'm gonna have to do it on my other wrist. Okay. And I'm like, this is different, which it would be different. It's different. It's a different set. I'm liking that too, but let me put it on my wrist just to make sure I'm not smelling the other scent. Let me set that. Dry a little. Oh, you guys, this is really good too. It is crisp. It's fresh. I want to say it smells like grass, but there was no grass scent in it. This one is really good too, you guys. Oh my goodness. Let my nose. Two totally different scents. This is more fresh. You're running errands. Definitely. This is more romantic. So 2 different scents for 2 different occasions. And I actually love them both. So as I said, this is a monthly subscription. So moving forward, I will get a roller ball, $20, shipping $4.95 plus tax. So I'm continuing the subscription. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Go check out Skylar.com and see if you want to join their scent club as well. So everybody take care. Bye-bye.